Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and hello. So today I have another Born Pretty PR package. They was kind enough to send me over this all-in-one quick building nail tips and glue set. So if you want to see what's all in this little box, stay tuned and we're going to jump right into the video.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I removed the plastic off of here. So this is what the box looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the box. See what we got. Okay. So we have this cute little miniature nail file. And these are always needed, especially like if you travel and you do nails, or if you're going out of town and you want to be able to take a few items with you just in case you need to do a nail repair or do a quick set on yourself. These little miniature files are always good to have. Then you have your user manual for the little light. Okay. Then they give you some French nail tip guides. Let's see there. So they're the same thing. So you get 2 packs of those. Then you get some chrome pigment. This is a pretty color too. And then you get the little applicator with it. And it is sealed. Then you get the 6-in-1 nail glue. This is really cool. So I'm assuming you can use this as probably a base top to glue the nails on. I have to look it up and see what all 6 steps you can use this for, and I'll just insert a picture if they have a picture. If not, I'll just write it on the screen for you guys. But it's 15 ml. This bottle is heavy too, so it is soak off UV LED. Okay, so you get that with it. And then the star of the show, you get this cute little mini lamp. Reminds me of an egg. This is really cute. So it has the Born Pretty logo, and it says portable nail lamp, and then it has 4 UV lights, and then it has the adapter part where you plug this in the back, and then this will be your button to cut it on. Now, I don't have a cord long enough to even plug this up, because you know these are not long, so I can't even demo it on camera for you guys, but I will let you know if it works, because I'm gonna plug it in, but I just want to be able to show you guys what it looks like. Hold on, let me see if I can rig something up real quick. Okay guys, so I was able to figure something out. So here's my cord. But this just really showed me that in order to use these, I'm definitely going to need another outlet system. Maybe I could put it up under my table and really get up under there. So, okay. So here's the button. Oh, it came on real easy too. I barely touched it. So, okay. So it doesn't go off when you push the button, so I'm just gonna leave that on, and I'm gonna see how long it takes for it to go out. So hopefully that light don't bother you guys. Then we got a bag of nail tips. Move that over just a tad bit. Okay, let's see what we got. There's a lot of stuff in that little box. I mean, they really packed it in. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, so we got different styles of tips. So, we want to organize these really quick. Okay, so the light went out. Okay, so it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different styles of tips, and you get 2 packs of each. So let's just do this. Let's open them up and see. Oh, I didn't even notice it. Okay, so they have the number to reference the packs. So as you can tell, these two are the same. These two are the same. Y'all probably noticed that before I did. Probably was like, Shell. Just look back, look on the tag. If only we can hear you guys on the other end. So that's what those look like. Okay, so let's open them up. Okay, so these are the full coverage, and this is a size 0. Let's see how long that is. It's really long. I want to focus. So I'm not sure how many you get in here, so let's just count this pack really quick. 1, 2, 4. So it's 22 tips in here. But let me make sure. 1, 2. Oh no, it's 24. Well, I want to count it again. You know how like you count stuff, you get one thing, and then when you count it again, you get something else, and then you count it again, you get something else. So let's just do this one more time. So that's 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 18, 22, 24. So yes, it's 24. And this is the smallest, which is the size 11. That's 11. And then the largest is the 0. There you go. Okay. So we know we get 24 in each pack. So we definitely know we can use this glue to do the full coverage tips with. Let's open it up. I didn't even think about that. Let me open it up and see how thick it is. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty thick. Okay. I'm gonna have to do a video on this because I've been wanting to get into doing the full coverage tips. That method I haven't done because my clients don't ask for that, but I want to start doing it on myself because I haven't had my nails done in forever. I only really do them when I go on vacation because I really don't have the time to do them like I would like to. And I know this method is a quicker method to get them done. So I'm gonna do a video on that, and I'm gonna use this product system from Born Pretty to do so. But I won't be using these long nails. I can tell you that right now. Not that I have a problem with long nails. I do a lot of pedicures. So it just, to me, it doesn't make sense because I'll be busting out of my gloves, and the last thing I want is a bunch of pedicure water inside my gloves. So I'm gonna use some smaller tips, but I will use the Born Pretty system. So stay tuned for a video on that. hopefully I can get to that real soon. I'm gonna have to come to work really early to do my nails because that seems like the only time I really get a chance to do it. So let's move on to the next. So we have these C-curve tips. They're not full coverage. C-curve, sorry. So, and that's a size 10. So they probably all have smaller size, probably go up to 11. Let's see. Nope, that looks like that's the smallest. Oh no, okay, so the smallest size is 11. And then let's find a 0. So here's the 0. Let's see a C-curve on that. And they're pretty sturdy. Okay. It's a little thinner down here on this end and thicker on this end. So it's more flexible down here, which is what you want. So we have 2 packs of those style. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you're liking this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So we have another full coverage. We have this length. So these probably were like extra long. And I'm gonna say these look more medium. So these are either long or extra long. And then this one I would consider a medium size tip. So you got 2 packs of those. And I'll have the information to all of this, well, this kit, down in the description box along with my discount code. So guys, if you order, make sure you take advantage of that and save yourself some money. So then we have the curved nail tips. And these are in square. And they're really thin down here. So, and that's a size 1. So for those who like a slight curve or their clients like a slight curve, these will really be good for that. And then last but not least, we have the longer version. And these have the half well, as you can tell. The etching right there, those are considered half well. This is size 7. Just so you can get an idea what it looks like. And these do have the C-curve. So these are the C-curve. And these were just your natural. The other ones that I showed you, they're just your natural. And then you have your medium length full coverage. And then you have your long full coverage. I'm gonna say these are long. And then you have your long C-curve nail tips. So this is everything that's in this little package. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, look down in the description below. Look down in the description below for the link for this kit as well as my discount code. And if you guys have any questions, if you want to see me demo this and do a video on it, let me know down in the description below. I will use the kit, but if you want to see a video, I'll definitely do a video of me fumbling over trying to get this to work. So as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.